Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use aggregate with product function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel, and the product function in Excel is used to multiply a set of number together. So let's start. So here I have a 1 to 10 serial number, and here I'm going to multiply this set of numbers. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to, and enter the product. Here I use product function, then select the range of numbers and bracket closed and enter. That's it. You can see the multiply amount of all 1 to 10 number. Okay. Suppose I hide some numbers, suppose 4 to 7. I select the rows and right click of the mouse and click on the hide. You can see the amount is not changed. Okay. So if you want to change the amount accordingly, hide the data, so you can use aggregate also. So I just unhide all, click on the unhide. Now I remove this formula and use this equal to. Now I use aggregate function. Okay. Now select the product function number. So 6 is the number of product function. Then select this function and 6, use the comma. Then select here the ignore hidden rows. 5 number for ignore hidden rows. Select it and use the comma. Then select the range of data and bracket close, enter. That's it. You can see the same amount is multiplied here. Okay. Now, when you hide some rows, suppose I select the 4 to 7, right click of the mouse and click on the hide. See the changes. Accordingly, hide the rows, the amount of multiply is changed. When you hide something, the amount of multiply is changed. See. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.